I created this circle out of this large piece of cardboard using my Works wireless electric cardboard cutter. I believe you can cut other things with it, but that's what we use it for. I'm going to find the center, and I found this mirror from Five Below. I liked it because it had that little wicker edge. You can use any mirror you choose, and that's going to determine the size of your cardboard. You can get these mirrors at the Dollar Tree. They do have a black rim. And I'm going to take a marker and mark off where my mirror is going to go. I'm going to take my E6000 and put it on the metal hardware on the back. And then I'm going to use some hot glue. And I'm going to glue this to my cardboard and put it back where the marked area is. I'm going to be using this white rope from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to start by taking some hot glue and wrapping it around the mirror onto the cardboard. Now, my first few wraps, I like to go around and then stop and cut the rope, only because I'm using different textures and different colors in this. And sometimes if I just keep wrapping, I feel like the circle looks off. So I just wrapped and then cut it, wrapped, cut it, wrapped, cut it, just for a few layers, and then I just started wrapping continuously around. You are going to have a seam if you do it this way, but I covered that at the end, and you'll see. So again, I'm just going to wrap it around, stop and cut, wrap around, stop and cut. And once I was done with the white, I started using the regular rope, the brown rope from the Dollar Tree. And I did the same thing, hot glue and wrapped around. And this one I just did continuously around. Now I'm starting to notice that either my cardboard circle was not completely circular, which is possible, or my mirror was not centered. And you can see that I have more cardboard on one end. So I just continued and completed my brown rope. And then I went back to my wireless Works cardboard cutter, and I removed all the excess cardboard around the mirror. There's a guard on it, so you don't have to worry about cutting the actual rope. I found this garland either at Hobby Lobby or Dollar General, I cannot remember, and I just glued it around the wicker part of the mirror, and I allowed the tassels to hang where my seam was, where all my rope ended and started. I flipped it around and I used a piece of jute and some craft sticks to create a hanger on the back. You want to make sure that you tie a knot so that it doesn't slip through the craft stick. And now you have this really nice boho mirror that you can hang in an entryway, in a bathroom, and I really hope you enjoyed this video. For other tutorials, go check us out on YouTube. You can now watch all our videos at chalkitupfancy.com. For any paint products, tissue paper, transfer, or mesh stencils, chalkitupfancy.com. Thank you so much.